this video comes up on my computer later. Fingers crossed. Clutch fingers are crossed. Since I rode. Feels good. Got the chain nice and tight. On this bad thing. And she's ready to rock and roll. Wish sometimes the GoPro actually did a justice to like some of the hills and stuff, but you know, who cares? I love this thing. Oh, by the way, leave it down in the comments if you think that I should post an MX Bikes video. Actually, nah, don't. I should probably make like a gaming channel that just is like ATV and dirt bike related games. Yeah, like MX's ATV Unleashed. I'm actually pretty far into the career in that game with the MX one. Actually, no, I'm not really too far. So I could probably play some of that, maybe do some MX bikes, you know. Yeah, maybe making a gaming channel would be fun, because then I could play like some MX bikes, but just it be like dirt bike, four-wheeler, and like trucks and stuff like that related. So like I could play farming sim on it and stuff. That'd be fun too. Both FS19 and FS22. Yeah, maybe I could. Yeah, why don't I just make it? Yeah, I should probably make a gaming channel. That would be smart. Would be very smart, because then me and my friends can play the games that we like to play together. Living there. I know that shorts get like a lot of views and stuff, but man, who really cares? I like making long form videos. More fun for me anyway. The shorts is only like 60 seconds. It's kind of boring. People do shorts with like GoPros and stuff, but man, you have to have like your GoPro like specifically mounted sideways and stuff. Too much hassle, man. I mean, maybe if I got like an extra Insta360 or something, but man, those things are way too expensive, and I'd like to get a new GoPro, so would like to get, I don't know, maybe like an 8 or something, just something newer than this one. This one's fine for right now, but some of the videos have been like corrupting and stuff, so you know. I want to keep that from happening for future vids, because some of the videos that I make I can't even upload because of it. And also also sometimes, and also the GoPro just kind of like, you know, it's getting old. Would like to get a newer one. I'd like to have some higher quality videos for you guys to watch and enjoy and laugh at me. Go back to school. Oh yeah, the old Chevy's starting up. Let's go. The good old Chevy. Good old Chevy. Oh, is he just letting it run? Oh, okay. She's running great. Oh yeah, that's what we like to hear. Yeah. She needs a new transmission though, so you can't put her in park when she's running, and you can't put it in 4 low. And yes, that thing is all-time 4-wheel drive. It's, you know, whole shebang. 1976 Chevelle. Well, no, it's not a Chevelle. It's a, I don't remember what it is. I don't remember what it is off the top of my head. I used to. I don't know. Oh, that's a lot of water in the bed there, bud. Oh, yeah. 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 I can see from how much water's draining out of it. Hey, Dad, what is it again? What is it again? A Chevelle? What? No, the old Chevy. Cheyenne. A Cheyenne, yeah. I'm an idiot. Good old Chevy Cheyenne. Put a 454 in it. Out of a tow truck from the junkyard because the old motor was completely gone. And she's mint. Got the plow for her, and she's nice. So much water, bro. Dude, we could have had a swimming pool, Dad. Could have been swimming in it. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we could do that. That'd be fun. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on, Iffy. Come on. I know you like to be Iffy. There she goes. Oh yeah. What? Yeah. Do you want me to throw the stuff out of it? Okay. Oh, I love the old Chevy. Oh, it's gonna be fun riding through this now. Okay. Well, bye guys. This is where I'm gonna end this episode, and yeah, bye.